Hello, class.
Today we are discussing the Calculus 3 topic of
Double integrals.
So class, what is a double integral? Bless you. Anyone?
Okay, so to first understand the double integral, we have to understand the definite single integral. So the integral is the area under the function, f of x. So first we're going to look at this picture, and from a to b, the area is represented by the summation of infinitely small rectangles. One rectangle which we represented here.
Of height f of x and of width dx.
Now let's extend this topic now to the double integral. Who's ready? Great. So now we will be speaking in terms of the area under the surface z, when z is defined as the function of x and y. So the axis would look like this, when z is a function of x and y, making it three-dimensional. So we will look at a surface, which is a plane, with a square bottom, so a square shadow, that would look kind of like this, which makes it easier when we're learning the double integral.
Okay, then we're going to have a little piece in here. And the integral of 0 to b of f of x and y,
Which is the integral of the surface z.
that one, is the integral of the area under a line in the plane.
So it's just this rectangle right here, which is represented by this integral, is one slice of the plane. So now, if we give that depth, as in this, and make it a thicker rectangle, it goes from across to 0 to a, we get volume. We use that to get volume. So the integral now, to get that volume, would look like this, 0 to a, of the integral 0 to b of f of xy, or z, dx, dy. Okay? And that's going to represent one rectangle in our original graph over here. Does that make sense, everyone?
Yeah. Now we're going to do a quick example. If we have the equation z equals x times y squared with the bounds 0 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to z,
2.
and, 2. It's 2, it's not z. And 0 is less than or equal to y, which is less than or equal to 1.
So the area under the curve represented by the integral of 0 to 2 x y squared dx. So that's going to be the area under the plane from 0 to 2.
And now if we want to find the volume, we have to take the integral of this. So, with respect to y, the integral from 0 to 1 of this, dy. Adding up all the areas underneath the curve.
So if this is the curve, and we give it depth to find volume, that's what the double integral is. So we're going to evaluate this inside out. So first, let's clear some room. Is everybody following this?
Good.
So to solve this, we're going to start inside out. So first, we do the integral in respect to x, which is the integral of x is just x squared over 2. And the integral of y right now is just a constant.
So the integral of
Which
x,
is just a number.
Yes, so x times y squared from 0 to 2 equals and then we take this and put it in this integral. The one for volume.
So evaluating this, we're going to get the integral from 0 to 1 of bringing in the 2 squared over 2 times y squared, minus bringing in the 0, which just cancels out, so we don't need to do that, of dy. And that's a normal, easy integral to solve. So now, finishing the integral,
We have finishing the integral with this. Oh wait.
Yeah.
Oh wait.
Yeah.
Should I keep going?
Yeah.
Okay. We get 2 times y to the third over 3. And that, just plug in the 1 and then plug in the 0 and subtract, you get 2 over 3.
So now, using the double integral, we found that the volume under the original curve is 2/3.
Breezy. Yo, chick. What's it on that beat? Yeah. If your chick come close to me, she ain't going home when she supposed to be. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to be. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to be. Oh, all my close to me, and all the mother niggas where they supposed to be. Oh, the hoe go for me. How your chicks in the pic like post for me. Oh, that's how I supposed to be. Yeah, that's how I supposed to be. Yeah, that's how I supposed to be. Everything look like it's supposed to be. Pull up to the club and it go up. Make your girl fall in love when I show up. It's not my fault, she wanna know me. She told me you was just a hummer. She came down like she knew me. Gave it up like a groupie. And that's facts, no printer. Cold, turn the summer to the winter. She saved me in her phone at bestie, but I had her screaming, oh. Yo, girl, wasn't supposed to text me. You wanna know how I know what I know? If your chick come close to me, she ain't going home when she supposed to be. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to be. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to be. Oh, all my close to me, and all the mother niggas where they supposed to be. Oh, the hoe go for me. How your chicks in the pic like post for me. That's how I supposed to be. Yeah, that's how I supposed to be. Yeah, that's how I'm supposed to be. Everything good like it's supposed to be.
Got your girl in my section finna go up. Smoking loud, I'm about to roll up. She ain't never got high like this with a guy like this.
With a PhD in zybology. And don't forget zoology. It's the animal, J-Sick.
With an IQ of 132, what can't he do? It's your boy, A-Murd.
Cole all up in the room like he owns the place, but he really just a fool, can't drop no bass. No ability to teach, that's why we're here to preach. Zyburt taught us well, now it's time for some show and tell.
Truck 15 in the EDM scene.
Been spending most our lives living in a calculus paradise, using integrals to decide, living in a calculus paradise.
Okay, here we go. Time to lose control. Gonna spit fire about the integral. Whether you want to find arc length or the position, integrate with respect to the condition. Sometimes it's x, sometimes it's t. Either way, don't forget to add plus c.
Position, speed, acceleration. You've heard about them before. Introduce some calculus. It won't be no folklore. As you can see, integration is crucial, so use it.
Been spending most our lives living in a calculus paradise, taking derivatives all the time, living in a calculus paradise.
Back to reality, take the derivative in actuality. You may ask what's implicitity, it's not in practicality. The derivative is vitality, slope is a formality. FTC a normality and not brutality. All you gotta do in finality is change a mentality.
First take the power, bring it down, -1, now you're done.
Been spending most of our lives living in a calculus paradise. Time to push math to a side, living in a calculus paradise.
Room 541.
Yep.
Okay, look, I'm honest. Zyburt, I can't lie, I'll miss you. You and the math test were the only thing I could relate to. But now we are going on to greener pastures.
In calculus or Mickey D's, we'll be masters. Davis and Cal Poly won't know what hit them. We spit so much fire, we be getting higher. On calculus.
Yeah, you heard that right. We do have some spite for the end of the year.
But no, we ain't got no fear.
Been spending most of our lives living in a calculus paradise. No, 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 no. Living in the rapper's paradise.
I'm Orion, breezy. Yo, chick. What's it on that beat? If your chick come close to me, she ain't going home when she supposed to be. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to be. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to be. Oh, all my close to me, and all the mother knew where they supposed to be. Oh, the hoe go for me. How your chicks in the pit like post for me. Oh, that's how I supposed to be. Yeah, that's how I supposed to be. Yeah, that's how I supposed to be. Everything look like it's supposed to be. Pull up to the club and it go up. Make your girl fall in love when I show up. It's not my fault, she wanna know me. She told me it was just a homie. She came down like she knew me. Gave it up like a groove.